Dad, you should have brought that.
Nothing like the sparkles for them.
Yeah.
What are you looking for, sweetie? Right here, baby. I have it. Sorry. You need help putting it on?
You on live?
Got it? I don't need it.
I'm trying to get the boys back, but they're not listening.
I mean, don't worry about it.
Only Johnny listened. Johnny was the only one who listened.
Oh, yeah?
He was helping me down. Hey! Oh, my verse. Actually, no.
Does he want it? Yeah, cover him up. I'm good.
Dad, actually, I don't want this because it's covering my right ear, and I do not want to take him off.
So what if it's covered?
I don't want it. Then it hurts my ear. And I feel fine.
Watch, finale's coming. Come sit with me.
I want to go back.
I drink it. Go. How do you say no to that? How do you what? I know. But how do you say no to that?
Now, what is it called?
What?
The thing that you were talking about.
What?
Like the Anna what? Ananali? Finale thing?
Oh, the finale now. The finale, the end. The Anunnaki. I was like, Anamon.